Feeling exhausted after eating? Today, I'm revealing 7 common foods that are secretly draining your energy and causing blood sugar crashes. These everyday snacks might taste good, but they're sabotaging your focus, mood, and productivity in ways you never realized. Nutritionist Ashley Tosh explains that foods high in sugar, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats cause sharp blood sugar fluctuations, leading to fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. The pattern: temporary boost, then rapid crash. First, potato chips. High in salt and unhealthy fats, they cause dehydration and blood sugar drops. Replace with nuts for sustained energy. Second, chocolate bars. They provide quick sugar rush, but the crash leaves you sluggish. Choose dark chocolate for longer-lasting energy with antioxidants. Third, white toast. Lacking fiber, it spikes blood sugar, then crashes. Switch to whole grain bread with avocado for sustained energy. Fourth, cookies. Loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, they trigger energy slumps. The refined ingredients create blood sugar chaos. Fifth, sweetened yogurt. Despite seeming healthy, added sugars cause rapid crashes. Many contain more sugar than candy. Choose Greek yogurt with protein and probiotics. Sixth, pastries like croissant. Digested quickly, causing sudden spikes followed by sharp drops. Zero nutritional value, maximum energy disruption. Seventh, processed cereals. Loaded with sugar, they guarantee mid-morning crashes. Make homemade granola with oats and nuts instead. Here's why. Refined carbohydrates are rapidly absorbed, spiking blood glucose. Your pancreas releases insulin, quickly removing sugar from blood, causing the crash. This triggers fatigue, brain fog, and more cravings. Replace with nuts instead of chips, dark chocolate instead of milk chocolate, whole grains instead of refined, Greek yogurt instead of sweetened, homemade snacks instead of processed. These provide steady energy without crashes. These 7 foods sabotage your energy through blood sugar manipulation. The cycle is predictable: spike, crash, fatigue, cravings. The solution is choosing whole foods over processed complex carbohydrates over refined, natural sugars over added. Your energy will stabilize, concentration improves, and you'll break the exhausting sugar crash cycle. Key points: refined carbohydrates act like sugar, causing spikes and crashes. Healthy fats and protein, slow absorption for sustained energy. Fiber regulates blood sugar naturally. Whole foods energize, processed foods drain. Every food choice either energizes or exhausts you. Choose wisely. Your productivity, mood, and well-being depend on stable blood sugar throughout the day. Start by replacing one energy-draining food with a healthy alternative. Notice improved energy, then gradually eliminate more problematic foods. Your body will reward you with sustained vitality and mental clarity. The difference is remarkable. Instead of afternoon crashes requiring more caffeine or sugar, you'll maintain steady energy naturally. No more PM slumps, no more brain fog, no more energy roller coaster. Remember these swaps: nuts for chips, dark chocolate for milk chocolate, whole grains for white bread, Greek yogurt for sweetened, homemade granola for processed cereal. Small changes, massive energy improvements. Your energy levels reflect your food choices. Choose foods that nourish and sustain rather than spike and crash. Your future productive, energetic self will thank you.